Hey everyone, you know that day when you're so excited when you visit your local chippy and then you just order tons of food and you got leftovers of chips and you don't know what to do with them. You either throw it away or just leave it aside and wait till you throw it away. So what I've got over here is some leftover chips from yesterday, and what I'm gonna do today is gonna show you what you can make with them. We are making a sweet chili stir-fried chips. You need some onions. I'm gonna just slice this off. So now our onions are done, let's do the peppers. And that's it, we're all done. All that's left to do is stir frying. To the wok, I'm adding in some oil. Once your wok is hot enough, let's throw in the onions. Then I'm gonna add in my peppers. Now let's add in our leftover chips. Let's add in some Mak Tok sweet chili paste. Last but not least, let's throw in some soy sauce. Now this is done, let's plate it up. And I'm going to get some coriander. Then I'm gonna sprinkle my coriander on top of my chips. And to this, I'm just gonna sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds as well. And there you have it, a dish made in minutes, literally. Right guys, here is our sweet chili stir-fry leftover chips, or sweet chili stir-fry chips. Wow. Delicious. It's got like a nice sweet and spicy kick to it, and because my chip has got like vinegar in them, it gives it a nice tangy zesty feel as well, so I love it. So guys, if you have any leftover chips from your tea last night, or if you got any frozen chips in the freezer, just take them out and make this. And if you got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!